Here's an instructional video to show how my refinishing process looks in my studio. I've always said I've never seen a refinishing system fail when it's taken down to raw wood, especially on the outer fronts, stiles, and corner. For this first step, we're using Surf Prep 150 grit paper abrasives on the 5-inch orbital. This is not only going to level the surface, but it's going to make the miters match up, and it's going to give us a great tooth on that old lacquer finish. Now the door goes into what we call scuff sanding. We're going to be getting into all those corners and cracks and softening up all the edges so that we have a rounded corner. And again, one of the most delicate parts of a cabinet door is going to be on the edges. That's where they take most of the abuse. Now we go to DeAndre, who is level sanding all the CA glue, and he's sanding all of the vinyl sealer straight. Here's a look at the different doors that are in different stages of the process. Again, what our main enemy is the shiny parts of the lacquer. And you know we can't do a video without saying hi to Shigo, the Wonder Dog. Now here we have the old offset pad trick. That gets way down into these cracks and crevices and makes sure that there's not going to be anything that keeps our coating from sticking.
Happy playing music on the porch day.
After removing all the lacquer that's on the existing doors, we've opened up that joint for the miter, and we fill that with CA glue and activator. And you know we got to give a shout out to Malaysia and to Apollo. Now a quick denatured alcohol rinse and they're ready for the isolante. Thanks for watching and have a great day.